Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll be talking about the importance of keeping your driveway clean and maintained. Your driveway is the first thing visitors see when they approach your home, and it sets the tone for the rest of your property. That's why it's so important to make sure it's clean and well kept. Are you looking for a fast, reliable, and affordable way to get your driveway looking its best? Limpiar is the answer to efficient and budget-friendly driveway cleaning services. With Limpiar, you can rest assured that your driveway will be in great hands. Want to know about our services? We're quick, we know you're busy, so we'll be in and out before you know it. We're reliable, our skilled professionals have the expertise to tackle any type of driveway and stain. We're affordable, you don't have to break the bank to get a sparkling clean driveway. So if you're looking for a driveway cleaning service that's fast, reliable, and affordable, no further than Limpiar. We're here to take care of all your driveway cleaning. Ready to give your driveway the makeover it deserves? Visit Limpiar online today and let our team take care of the rest. Your driveway's transformation starts with us. Welcome,